if I write the statement, so they are saying like an alloy contains, let's say, 32% of copper, 40% of zinc, and the rest of it is a nickel. Okay.
Okay.
So now they are asking find in grams the quantity of each material, okay, or each part over there. Find in grams the quantity of each content in 1 kg of the alloy. So what are you going to do?
Convert 1 kg to gram,
Yes.
and then find 32% of 1,000.
So how much is copper? So you will say copper is 32% of 1000. That will be how much? You can remove the 2 zeros.
320.
320 grams. Perfect. In the same way, how much is zinc?
40%.
So 40% of again 1000.
Yes.
How much is remaining then?
400.
400. Perfect. Then what's the nickel?
1,000 minus 720.
Okay, that way. And in percentage, how much percentage it is?
Oh, 28. What?
28%. Perfect. So you can do it that way as well. Okay, like you can say like we know 100% is the total. So out of that 100%, we have already used 40 and 32%. So you will subtract that 72% out of it. So you're just getting 28%. Get it? So
Yes.
we can say 28%. We can find out of what, of the 1000 again, and you will get 280 as a gram. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Good. Okay, one more question on word problem. So this time they are giving us, like in an examination, 96% of the candidates passed, and they are saying 50 failed. Okay, 50 candidates failed over there. So how many candidates were there in that exam? What you will say? How to find it out?
So 4% is 50.
So you can say like they have given us 4% value as what? 50? Well, 50? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then what's the total candidate will be in percentage?
100.
So we want to make it 100. So how you will convert it into 100%?
Times 25.
By timesing it by 25. So the same way we will time the 50 by what? By 25. What you will have?
125.
125 and then a 0 as well. Okay.
Okay.
Get it? So how many like candidates were there who sat in that exam? So you will say 1250. Get it?
Yes.
But if we have to represent it like step by step, how you will do? Because this will be worked for a, you can say MCQ, like a multiple choice question. It is allowed for it. Like they will not be checking, or a 1 mark question. If it will be, then they will be not checking like how you solved it. But if you have to represent it, what are you going to do in it?
Do 100
So
minus
we
4.
in that case, like you will say, we will assume that the total number is what? You can again use algebra in it, okay? So the total number of candidates we can assume how many? We can assume x, okay?
Right.
And then you can say 4% of x is how much? 50. Then we can calculate that x from there, okay? Get it?
Yes.
So the same way, like 4% of x will be 50 for us, and then x will be equal to 50 over 4 times by 100. Get it? And 4 will cut out 100 at 25. 25 times 50 again. 1250. Is it clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Good. Any confusion till now?
No.
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 Okay. The same kind of question if I give you, let's take this time like if we have, okay, so they are saying like 15% of workers in a factory are females. Okay. And they have given us number of males. The number of male in that factory is 272. Get it? So find the total number of worker. So how are we going to find out the total workers? What do you will say?
100 minus 15.
Is how much?
85.
We're going to say percentage of male workers is how much?
85%.
Is like 100 minus 15 percentage. So that will give you 85%. Perfect. And then what are you going to do?
Um, uh,
We can
um,
say 85% of what? Of x. Again,
uh,
like we are assuming total workers as x is equals to, it is given to you 272, you can say.
yes.
Okay, then
Um, X.
x will be
Um,
equal to what? 272 times by 100 over what? 85.
yes. Yes.
Then at what number you will cut it out?
185.
185. At what numbers?
Um,
85
5.
at 17. If you cut
Uh,
it out by 5. And this one at 20. If you cut it out by 5. Yes or no? Then
yes.
later on,
Um, t- uh, 272.
272 is divisible by 17.
Uh, yes.
At what number?
Um, uh,
Do you know how to divide? Like there is a 27 I can see. So 17 will cut out 27 at 1. Yes or no? Then I get what? I got a, you can say a 10. 27 minus 17 will give you a 10. 10 and 2 will make 102. So 102 will be cut out at 17 at 6. Yes or no?
yes.
We are just left with 16 times 20. That will give you what?
320.
320.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, then like, do you know there are few type of questions where he will like take a scenario of increase and decrease of percentage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're aware
Yes.
about that.
Yes.
So how to solve them? Like you have an like idea about it.
Um, you use
Okay,
a.
let's see like you have knowledge about it or not. Okay,
Mhm.
so if they gave us a scenario like a question, so the question is demanding. They are saying there is a officer, okay, and let's take a salary. So salary of a person increased by 25%. Okay. Now they are asking by what percent should the new salary to be reduced to restore the original salary. Did you get the meaning of statement?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No? What part is like confusing you?
By what percent should the new salary to be reduced?
Okay, so they are saying like, let's say initially he have a X amount of salary, okay? Then we increased it by 25%. Now he's asking by what amount I should decrease it, by what percentage I should decrease it, so that it will remain to that same amount. Getting it?
Yes.
What we should do?
100 plus 25 minus 25.
Okay, at start, what you can think? At start, I can assume like we don't have a number given to you, no? Like he doesn't provided you the salary of that person. Yes or no? So you can
Yes.
assume it anything because percentage will work everywhere in the similar manner. Okay. Either you take a X, either you take an amount from yourself. Okay. So I'm assuming like let's say the person have 100 salary. Get it?
Yes.
We can say let the salary is what?
BX.
So let the salary is 100. I'm taking. Got it? Yes or no? So they
Yes.
are increasing it by 25%. So we can say the increased amount will be how much? Increase in amount will be how much? You will say
120.
you will find out 25% of what? 25% of 100, and it will come out to be what? A 25 only?
Yes.
Yes or no? So the new
Yes.
salary will be how much? So the new salary will be, you can say the old plus the increased value. So what you will say? 100 plus 25. So the new salary becomes how much?
120.
125 for him. Any doubt in it?
No.
No. Now he want to do what? He want a reduction over there. Yes or no?
Yes.
He want to do what? He want to reduce it so that it will remain what? It will remain the previous one. So reduce
Yes.
in amount is how much? Reduce in amount is
25.
25. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So reduction percentage is how much?
Um,
So
20.
reduction percentage will be, you will say whenever you have to find out increase or decrease, what you will do, you will put up there as a change, how much change you're doing. Denominator, we will put it as like original value. Okay.
Yes.
And times it by 100. Get it? So what
Yes.
you will put in the change? So how much change is happening?
25.
25. What was the original value in this case now?
100.
What number? 100 or 125 you will put?
125.
Yeah, because we are comparing this 25 with 125. Okay. Get it? We are
Yes.
not comparing this change with the 100. This reduction is done on what? This reduction, reduce in price or amount is done on basis of what? On the basis of this 125. Okay. Get it?
Yes. Yes.
So we can say original is 125 for us and then times by 100 will give you the reduction percentage. So how much you're having if you cut it
Um,
out?
oh, um,
Yeah.
uh,
25 will cut out the 125 at what? 5?
1/5.
Then 105 we can cut them out at what? 20? So we got
Yes.
what? We got a 20% decrease, a reduction. Yes or no?
Yes.
The reduction percentage is how much? It is 20%. But initially, what was the increase? The
20.
increase percentage was 25%. Yes or no? Get
Yes.
it?
Yes.
So that's how like percentage can be different for the same numbers. For increasing that number, we have to do a 25% increase. But to reduce it to the original number, we have to do what? We have to decrease it by only 20%. Get it?
Yeah.
So if you want to make a note for this question, you can have. Just try solving it one more time by yourself, okay? While just looking at it, without looking at the solution. That would help you. And if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Good. So let's move to the next one then.
Okay.
Okay, let's do a salary-based question again. One more question. So they are saying there is a person A. So A's income is 25% more than that of B. Okay, there are like two-person A and B. So they have done a comparison of A's income with the B's income. So they find out that A's income is 25% more than that of B. Okay, get it?
Yeah.
So now we are sure that B's income will be less as compared to A's income.
Yes.
So how much percentage like it is less than that of A? So they are asking how many percent is B's income less than that of, what you will say? How much? I think you said an answer like
25. 75.
20, 25 or 20?
25.
Okay, no. You're saying like it will reduce by the same?
No.
You're saying 25 or like what number? I don't get you. How much you're
That
saying? Just do it the same way. Assume a number. Let's assume the salary of A. Then find out salary of B in according to the first statement. The first statement ends over here, okay? And then they started a new statement after this.
okay.
So firstly, follow the first statement by assuming a number for A. Find out B's income according to that number. And then think about it, how much reduction you need to do in the B's income so that you will get A's income.
Okay.
Be quick.
100.
I think it is like just as the previous one. Yes or no? In that one also, like we increased it by 25%, and then later on we are doing reduction, so it become what, 20%? So the
Yes.
same way you will say like it will also happen in the same manner, because firstly, like I will assume A's income is what, 100. So according to that, increase will be happening 25. Yes or no? So B's income come out to be what? B's income come out to be 125. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then like now we have to compare B with A. Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes.
So how you will do that? So you will say like the change in percentage will be what? It is decreasing. 125 become 100. So it is decreasing by 25.
Yes.
And the original value was what? 125 times it by 100. So 25 will cut it out at 5. 5 will cut out 100 at 20. So we got a 20% reduction. Okay. Get it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Any confusion?
No.
Okay. Then one more question. It is now based on population. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. The next question is, they are saying the population of a town increases 8% annually. Then they are saying if its present population is the 142560. Okay, you can say 142,560. So what was it a year ago? What are you gonna do? Do you know the way?
Yes.
So yes,
Time times it.
we can assume the population,
Um.
or you know a different way. Just tell it to me, like what's the way you will do?
Um. Times 142,560 by 0.92. 0.92.
Why?
Um. Because 100 minus 8 is 92, and then we divide it by 100.
Okay, you're gonna do that way. So what answer you will have?
Um. Um. 139,708.8.
I think that would be a little bit wrong. Okay, like because we are moving in the previous year, so that method will not work over here. Okay, why? Look at there. Like first of all, what you gonna do in this case? So they are asking the previous year's, like you can say population. Yes or no? So I can
Yes.
assume the population was X. Okay, previous year the population was X. Get it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So the present population will be how much? You will say it will increase by 8%. So if it will increase by 8%, then I can say X was there plus I can say what? I can say 8X over 100. Like if I add the previous, or you can say the original. Yes or no?
Yes.
Original plus change will give me what? Will give me the new. This is the
Yes.
rule that we are following. So original is how much X plus 8% is increasing. So 8% of X. So 8% of X means 8 over 100 times by X will give me what? It is giving me 142,560. You are reducing it. Yes or no? You were trying to do what? You were trying to reduce it. But
Yes.
we just saw that the reduction will not be same. Like in the previous question, what we are like looking at it. If you just followed, like you're looking at A's income was increasing, then we are talking about how much we should decrease it so that it will remain same. So the increase and decrease rate are not same. Yes or no?
Yes.
But you are thinking like it will remain same for this question. Why it will remain same? You're thinking like it is increasing by 8%. So for the previous year, we will reduce it by 8%. Yeah, you're thinking that way?
Yes.
No, it will not work in that sense, okay? Because increase and decrease percentages for the previous or the next amount will not be same, okay? They will change accordingly.
Okay. Yes.
So just keep it in mind. So we have to do this method, okay? Like original plus the change is equals to the new. So I can say this equation, I got a linear equation. I can solve it out. How you will solve it out?
Move X to one side.
X is already on one side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. Um.
Yes.
Simplify.
Yeah, we're gonna simplify it. How we gonna simplify?
Um. X. 108.
You're gonna say like we're gonna take LCM, okay? There is X over 1, there is 8X over 100. So we're gonna take LCM for them.
Yes.
What will be the LCM?
8.
8.
Um.
LCM we take for numerator or for denominator?
Denominator.
So why you're taking for numerator?
Um, um, uh, 4.
It would be 100. Like one denominator is one denominator is 100. So what will be their LCM? 100? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then I will say 1 become 100. So this x will become what? You will say x need to be multiplied by 100 as well. See, we
Yes.
get what? We get 100x plus 8x remains same is equals to 142560. Yes or no? So we get our numerator to be how much? 108x over 100 is
Yes.
equals to 142560. Now you will keep the x on one side and you will send what? You will send the coefficients to the other end. So 142560. If you are planning to send them before taking LCM, then you are wrong. Okay. Firstly, we have to make it a single fraction. Get it? Then only like a single term it need to be. Then you can send them to other side. So how are we gonna solve it? Can we cut
Uh,
out something?
100 and 108.
At what number?
Um, uh, 4.
At 4, let's see. So 4 will cut out 125. 4 will cut out 108 at what? 4 twos are 8 and
20,
then
20.
27. Then
Um,
can we cut out these and this 27 by this like 142560?
um,
Do you know how to check like a number will be divisible by 3 or not? Like just by looking at that number, you can tell this will be divisible by 3 or not. Do you know the way?
no.
No? Just like add up the digits. So if you add up all the digits of this number, we want to just check it like this 27, we know it is divisible by 3. Yes or no? We just
Yeah.
want to confirm this will be divisible by 3 or not. So how we'll do that? So just add them up. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0. What you will get?
18.
18. And 18, like does 18 come in the 3's table?
Yes.
So this whole number will also be divisible by 3, okay?
Okay.
Got it? So this is the, you can say a trick to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. You can
Okay.
quickly check it. So we can
Mhm.
cut out 27 at 3, so we get a 9. We can cut out 142560 by 3 as well. So what number we will be having? 3 fours are 12. We got a 2, 2 and 2, 22. 3 sevens are 21. 1 and 5, 15. 3 fives are 15. We got a 6, so 3 twos are 6 and then a 0. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, one more time, like we have to check is it divisible by 3 or not. So just check it quickly.
Um, yes.
Yes, so let's divide it. 3 threes are 9 then. Just tell me what we will do. 3 ones are 3. Then
And then, times 5.
time 5, you got a 2. 2 and 5, 25. And what number?
8.
8. Then 1 and 2,
Um,
12.
4.
4 and
And
then the 0 will remain same.
yes.
Okay, now can we do it one more time?
Um, yes.
Yes, go with it. So we can cut it
Um,
out. 3 fives are 15. 3 twos are 6. 3 eights are 24. So we got what? You can say x will come out to be 5280 times by 25. Okay.
okay.
What answer you
Mhm.
will have with you?
Um,
Yes.
132,000.
Perfect.